CompTIA, Tech Plus, FC0-U71, Practice Exam. Questions 91 through 95. This video is part of our practice exam video series, and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 91. A student logs into an online learning portal and clicks a link to open a practice quiz. Instead of the quiz appearing in a new window, nothing happens. Which of the following browser settings should the student adjust to access the quiz? The answer is C. Pop-up blocker. A pop-up blocker prevents websites from automatically opening new windows or tabs. While this protects users from intrusive ads, it can also block legitimate content such as quizzes, reports, or login prompts. To fix the issue, the student must change the pop-up blocker settings to allow the site's pop-ups. Question 92. A user notices their computer slows down significantly when they open several applications at once, such as a web browser, email client, and spreadsheet program. Which of the following components is most likely responsible for this performance issue? The answer is D. RAM. Random access memory, or RAM, is responsible for holding active applications and data that the CPU needs quick access to. If there is not enough RAM available, the system slows down because it must rely on slower storage as overflow space. This is why performance issues are common when multiple programs are running on a device with limited RAM. Adding more RAM can improve multitasking and overall system responsiveness. Question 93. A technician asks a student to provide the MAC address of their laptop's network interface card. Which of the following is a valid MAC address? The answer is A. A47CDB921F36. A valid media access control, or MAC address, is commonly written as 6 pairs of hexadecimal characters separated by colons or dashes, such as A47CDB921F36. Each hexadecimal character represents 4 bits, giving the address a total length of 48 bits. This standardized format uniquely identifies a device's network interface card on a local network. Question 94. An employee needs to deliver a 50 GB presentation file to a teammate across the building, but the office network is temporarily unavailable. Which of the following is the most practical way to transfer the file? The answer is B. Flash drive. A flash drive is the most practical option for transferring a large file when the network is unavailable. Flash drives can store large amounts of data, are portable, and do not rely on internet or network connectivity. This makes them ideal for quickly moving files between devices in the same physical location. Question 95. A computer science instructor explains that programmers often use simplified, human-readable steps to outline how a program should work before writing the actual code. Which of the following terms best describes this practice? The answer is D. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a way of writing out program logic in plain, human-readable language without worrying about syntax rules. It helps programmers plan and communicate their ideas before converting them into actual code. By using pseudocode, developers can focus on problem-solving and structure rather than specific programming commands. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.